Okay, we are going to be learning how to create a web blog or a website with just our phone. Website like this. This site was done with my mobile phone. I created this site with my mobile phone and this one also. I created this one with my mobile phone. The first one I showed you is hosted by WordPress, while this one is hosted by Blogger. We all know Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google. So we're going to create our website with all of these pages. I'm going to show you how to do that with a mobile phone, just with a mobile phone, guys. So let's dive into it. Now, yeah, just go to your Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using and search for Blogger on Google. Search for Blogger on Google, open it. You see something like this, then you choose this one. Either you create your blog or sign in, then choose one. Then they will ask you to choose an email. So I'm going to choose an email which I've not used before. So let's go with this one. I'm only using this email for this purpose. So yours might be different from this pattern, or it might still be like this. Then you enter this place, create blog. Click on create blog. They will ask you the title of your blog, which I'm going to be using any name for this blog, guys. So let's go with this one. This is the title of my blog. Then they're asking me the title of my blog address, which is our website address. So don't, okay, it's not available. Let's add something like this. Okay, this one is available. This one is available. So let's click on save. It's processing. So just give it a little time. Let's just give it a little time. Okay, this is our blog. Now it's time to add pages. On this, now we can visit the blog. Okay, it said this is the blog. Now we're going to choose our theme and customize this blog to become a website. So let's go back and customize this blog to be a website. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your privacy policy. The privacy policy, you have how to set your pages and every other thing. Maybe in my next video I'll teach you guys how to get posts to post on your blog or your web blog. But for now, let's focus on how to create or build a web blog or a website. So let's come over to pages. This is our page. So let's start adding pages. I like using desktop site because it make me, as in, I'm more convenient with it. So if you can choose to continue with the mobile this thing, but I love using this. So let's start with the contact first. Mhm. So this is our page. You can add your contact. You can add your contact. You can add your contact inside of this contact, or your email, or whichever one you feel like to add, or whichever one you feel like to add under this contact, and do and click on published. So you have gotten our contact. So you can go on and add more. Maybe you can say about blog, or about your website, and you can write anything in this page, and do published. These are just the pages, guys, and do publish. Then you can come over and still add, maybe you want to add a privacy and policy. You can come over and still add your privacy and policy. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. So how do we get our privacy and policy in this now? So we are going to come over to this. We're going to enter a new tab and search for privacy and policy generator. This one over here, privacy and policy generator. Click on search. Now when it's open, look for this one, privacy and policy generator. 100% free privacy and policy generator. Then click on it. Okay, they say your company name. If you don't have a company name, you can add your website name. So we are going to be using this as our company name. Then website name. This is my website name. Then the website URL. Come over to this site you are creating. Come over to this site you are creating. Click on this and view blog. This one. You can still use desktop site, but I will be using. Okay, then copy this link. Copy the link. You come over to this place and paste the link over here. Okay, now they say, do you use cookies? You can say yes. Advertising through Google AdSense, yes, because you can advertise through Google AdSense on that website. We're still building it. The issue of advertising from third party, you can say yes or no, whichever one. Then you go for next. Then select your country. So me, I'm from Nigeria, and I'm in Nigeria, so I will be choosing Nigeria. We're choosing Nigeria. I'll be choosing Nigeria. I'm just showing you guys how to. Then here you can put your email and generate privacy and policy. Okay, this is done. Either you can copy this link to your privacy and policy, or you can download it here, or you can copy this one here. You are seeing it, or you can copy this one here, which is this one. So I will advise you guys to copy this thing, and I'll show you guys how to do it in your weblog. So you have to copy it. When you're done copy, you come back to your blog, the one you're creating, or your page. So enter pages. Then you come back to this privacy policy generator. You click on it. Then before you post anything in this place, come over to this place, this pencil icon here. Click on this pencil icon and choose HTML view. So it would look like this. Then you have to delete this one. You have to delete this one over here. Delete it. So now everything is empty. Then you can go ahead and paste whichever you have copied. So it will look like this after pasting it. Then come back to that place, that pencil icon. Click on it and change from this HTML view to compose view. So after doing that, all is set. All is set. All your privacy policy, they are all set. So it will be like this. It will be like this. So you have gotten our privacy and policy. In our privacy and policy, you can go ahead and delete this one, or you can remove this link by highlighting. You can go ahead and delete this one, or you can remove the link by highlighting. So this is, I'm just trying to rush up so that I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. Privacy and policy about blog and the rest. Then after that, you can come back and choose your theme. So you have gotten this one. So let's go over to the next stage. How we want our blog to look like. So let's go over to the next stage. How we want our blog to look like. There's no post yet. So we are to come over to theme. And you guys are following. So let's go choose a theme. I love using this theme. So let's go with this one. And after selecting whichever theme you want, you can click on apply, or you want to customize or preview, whichever one you want to do. Then I'm going to be choosing apply because I want to use this particular theme. Guys, this is just for educational purpose. Then after selecting this, come over to your blog and view your blog, which is that one I told you guys before. Let's see if the theme is being applied. Okay, the theme is being applied. We are still working on it, guys. We are still working on our side. So after we are done with this one, let's come over to layout. I will show you guys how to apply those pages I've created. Let's come over to layout. Okay, this is featured post pages. Now we are going to make these pages visible. The pages we created, which is that about and the policy and whichever. Now we're going to, now after, okay, let me go back. Sorry if I'm rushing. This is, oh, you guys saw what I clicked at first, which is this one. I click on layout. Hmm? Now let's move over to it. After clicking on this layout, we come over to this. We come over to the, if we open a new window, we come over to this pages, page list up, and click on this pencil icon here, which is edit. Now it's here already. Okay, now we're going to click on add new, or add a new item. Then click on add a new item. We are going to type, or or they will list them for you. So we're going to select, so we're going to be selecting contact first, save, then add new again. They will bring another one. I'm going to be selecting about blog, save, then add a new item again. We are going to be selecting our privacy and policy and save. Then we save all. Then you can still customize which other one come first by using these arrows. Which other one come first or which other one come last by using this arrow. So that is it. Let's move over to the next stage. The next stage is, okay, let's go test our blog and see how it looks like. Hope you guys are understand. Whichever one you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is just a few easy steps on creating this, guys. So this is it. If you click on this menu here, okay, we have not made it live. Let's come over to the customization again and made it, and let's make it live. Okay, this is our page. Let's make it live. It's not live yet. It's not live yet. Okay, this is what you're going to do. After clicking on that pencil icon, you click on this one here, this show this widget. Click on it. It's been turned on. You click on save. Okay, as you can see, it's live. Now let's go view our blog and see how it looks like. Okay, you can see it here: home, our contact, and about blog and privacy policy. You click on this privacy policy, it will give, if you show you what you have in there. So this is how to create a web blog with just your phone. I'll in my next video I will show you guys how to get post on your web blog. But this is just for educational purpose. You can customize your own web blog, your website the way you want it to be. Anyhow you want it to be, select your theme. You can get your domain and which other one. Let me show you guys how to implement. Okay, in my next video I'll show you guys how to implement domain, how to link your domain or change domain from blogger to the new domain you bought, or anyhow you want it to be. So this one I just want to show you guys how to create a website or a web blog with just your phone. Okay guys, see you in my next video.